Good afternoon, everyone. As human beings, we are constantly learning. We not only learn from our personal experiences, but from the people around us. For example, when we were toddlers, we learned how to walk and talk from our parents, and as we got older, we learned to read and write from our teachers. When we entered into adulthood, we interacted with so many different people. On our journey, we began to learn new things from different cultures and lifestyles. Something that is very important to my lifestyle is the clarinet. Today, I will be showing you how to properly put together a clarinet in 4 steps. There are 4 steps to putting together the clarinet. The first is the middle, which consists of the first and second joint. The second is the bell. The third is the mouthpiece, and the fourth is the barrel. The first step is the middle. When you look into your case, you will notice 2 similar pieces. One is shorter, one is longer. The shorter is your first joint and the longer is your second. Now, to properly put these 2 joints together, you must first pick up the first joint with your left hand, the second joint with your right. In doing this, you need to press the second key of the first joint to lift the bridge on the first joint, making it able to connect with the bridge on the second joint, completing your first step. Your second step is the bell. When you look into your case, you will find a piece that looks like this. It has a flared out bottom. This is the end of your bell. This connects to your second joint, the longer one. You attach it like this. Make sure that the emblem on your bell matches up to the emblem on your second joint. The third step is the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece consists of 3 things: the mouthpiece, the ligature, and the reed. To start off, the mouthpiece has 2 sides, your flat side and your round side. The ligature has a larger end and a smaller end. The first step of putting together the mouthpiece is putting the larger end of the ligature on the mouthpiece. Make sure that the screws on the mouthpiece matches up with the flat side of the mouthpiece. Then you take your reed out of your reed case. You wet it. You take the flat piece of your reed and place it between the ligature and the mouthpiece on the flat side of the mouthpiece, making sure that it's below the mouthpiece at the very top. You should see a black line right above the reed. You slide the ligature down, tightening it up, but not too tight. You need to leave room enough for the for the reed to vibrate. Your fourth step is the barrel. Your barrel connects the mouthpiece to the rest of the clarinet. We will first connect the mouthpiece to the barrel. The barrel has an emblem just like the bell, the first and the second joint. Make sure that the emblem is to the round part of the mouthpiece, like so. Then we will connect the rest of the mouthpiece to the barrel, making sure that the emblem on the barrel matches up with the emblem on the first joint, the emblem on the second joint, and the emblem on the bell. In doing this, this is the ideal position for this clarinet's tuning. This ends step 4. In conclusion, although some people might think it looks easy to put together a clarinet, it really isn't. Each one of these steps are very important, and if not done correctly, it can affect the tone production, tone quality, and tuning of the clarinet. In the musical world, tone production, tone quality, and tuning are extremely important, and if one of these steps are done incorrectly, it could cause the clarinet to sound wrong. On the other hand, as a beginner, knowing how to do these basic steps of putting together a clarinet will put you 4 steps closer to being able to play the clarinet. I hope that me teaching you a little bit about the clarinet inspires you to get involved in music the way that I did, but if not, at least as a human being, you have learned something new today. Thank you.